Okay, everybody on YouTube. Good morning, everybody. Hopefully, everybody made it to YouTube. Let me give everybody their link. Good morning, everybody. Let's get going. We don't have a lot of time. So we are okay. So we're here live, everybody. Let me give it to the guys here. On oh, this is the wrong link for those guys. So hold on, guys. We're streaming. I don't know why it says second, but is it what it is? Okay, cool. And one more link. I go. So the initial claims came out, everybody. We are going to look at this. Unemployment report is coming tomorrow, right? So we are going to look at this as well, you know. And we are going to look at the SPY and the ES, the type of dance we could have now. Good morning on YouTube. Good morning, good morning. Let me give the link to everybody. If you guys can support the feed for the next 20 minutes, that's awesome. If you want to be helped as much as possible. So we are going to start with the initial claims. So we had, where is it? I had it on the notes for you this morning. Okay, so first and foremost, let's go here. So here is a photo. Where is it? Here. This one will be more clear. So here's what happened. It just came on Bloomberg earlier on. And here's what we have. So the initial claims keeps on going down, 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 down. Now we're below 2 million. But look here. This is the cumulative of the people that are unemployed. 21 million plus. Okay? So at the bottom, you have the important number. Tomorrow, unemployment report, they expect what they said, like 15, 19%. Read the article on Bloomberg. It's going to be a crazy number. So I know the market is looking forward, but the market might not be really happy with what's going on tomorrow. So here's what I'm looking at. I'm going to show you positions, you know, and show you the charts and give you share the notes. I'm sorry, yesterday I left and I forgot to share the notes, I believe. So on the notes, a position that you should consider that I'm doing for myself. No, this is not an advice or whatever. I'm telling you what I'm doing. Is I'm looking at the debit spread as a bet trade. It's like when you fish, you put a shrimp in the ocean, see if it bites and if the tip makes sense. I'm looking at the 315, 314, or alternatively, you can look at the 320. It's not 302. It's a 320, 319 put debit spread. Small size to see if it bets for January. So you have time, small size, lots of time for this trade to make you money and see how the market behaves in the range that I gave you on the head and shoulder of the weekly chart of 2750 to 3000, 3155, 3175, right? So if I look at the charts this morning, same on SPY. So here's what I look at. I was looking at the retracement. I traded with real money. So hold on, let's take a blue thing. Started looking for real money for the retracement to arrive here at 308.5. I don't think it's going to make 306, but 308.5. So about the 3,085, 3,090. We were very close after the initial claim. So that might be tomorrow. Then I expect them to rebound, right? So I expect them to rebound as high as possible. Ideally, I like a double top. I would love to see a double top at 316, 317 SPY. And then the non-primary report comes and then sells off. Ideally, that would be ideal. I like that, because I have my chart formation, which would be the double top or the head and shoulder, recrossing the 306, 308, then we would have a nice range between 300 and 317 on the SPY. So 300, 306, 3085, 316 area there, 317. I gave you everything. Everything is there. This is the game plan. This is the game plan I'm looking for. Good morning on YouTube land. GM, Jaime, Ron, Joseph W, everybody, good morning. This is how I'm going to trade my money. So now, positions that I have, and I'll go through the notes. I'll share the notes with you. We'll do the ES and we'll wrap it up. So, where it is. So positions for everybody. So we start the day clear. So I made a little money on ES options intraday. I was short with some ES put. So nothing major. I had the 3,050 puts here. Let me see if I open up. You'll see 3,051.50. So 31.50 puts. So what did that do? That gave me about $1,000. Still struggling with the SPXS. This is what it is, a 2022. So this is not a big deal. I have to wait. I just have to be patient. 2 years almost for this thing to go back up. I'll be fine. I'll get it back and I'll probably be profitable. It's just a question of being patient. So I'm waiting for this one. This one was 1,035. This one is a back ratio. I had made money on the short leg. Now I have the long leg that is losing money. I'm just waiting. On other portfolios, not really active. Same. I have the GBTC, which is the Bitcoin at 852. It's 1134 at the close yesterday. Let's see what happened. It's a little bit up. I'm seeing Bitcoin this morning, a little futures, BTC on the clouds, a little bit up. So we'll see. What else? I have SPXS. Obviously, I'm losing some money on this. This is my protection SPXS to offset Delta. We'll see where it goes. Overall, up 25 of 21, and overall 516 on the other portfolio. Total this morning, when you look at all across the board, start the day with a daily profit of 1,175 and 995. So I want to show you positions. I want to show you the stuff. If you look overall, the Delta position is super neutral. Negative 1161, theta positive 292. So this, I cannot be more neutral than this, but I'm looking for resistance short. Can I be more clear? Resistance short. Each time the market goes up on Amazon, on Netflix, on SPY, boom, short. This is what I'm doing, okay? Everybody is excited about a V-shaped recovery. I don't see any V-shaped recovery. This is going to be a W. This is going to be a protective, prolonged thing. Commercial paper is going to shit. The malls, a lot of bankruptcy will happen in malls. This will trigger into banks, will trigger potentially the residential market long term within the next 12 months. And the stock market liquidity that is in La La Land will eventually subside. People will sell, protect their 401k, take a distribution or a loan. So I hope it helps. I gave you all the zones. I'm going to give you the zones on all markets before I leave there on YouTube. Your likes, your comments are appreciated. We didn't do a good job this morning telling everybody we were here. We need your help if you want more like this. Otherwise, you see us once a week on Tuesday, guys, because there's a time factor. And plus, it's distracting to my guys on the mentorship program to go in and out from the Zoom and this and put the feed. To me, it's not really, because I press a button, it takes 2 more minutes. Want to show you the yes, the game plan for the yes. Since we did the SPY, we do take the same chart. Now we do ES. I want to show you also the trend on the double cloud tools, which are still up. So same idea on the ES. We're on the last tick. We are going to hold the 3085, 3090. If we double top this morning, then they can try to bring it as high as possible before the unemployment report. And this is the moment of truth. Do we have what it takes to go back to the 3053 there? By the way, I have news. If the market holds here or here, I'll go back up. And I'm not really fighting the trend again, because I don't have the signal. If I look at the double cloud tools, everybody, right, for the retail, analysis, look, we still have a very strong here middle chart on the ES. We are holding the top of the cloud. We are holding the top of the caution zone at the 3099 at 3090 today. And even if we go at 3070 to 3050, this is still a buy, because we would land, right? We would land into the cloud support somewhere here, right? So be careful. To me, there's not an acceleration of shorts to the bottom of my range, which is 29.25 and 27.50. Remember, I gave you a shoulder, hand, shoulder on the weekly chart until we break really this 3040, and then we would go to the 29.25. Okay, so a lot of support here. Be careful of the pullback, because the pullback are made. See, we touch the cloud support and boom, they come back 11 points. Unemployment report, I'm looking for an entry short. If we have 316 SPY, 317 SPY would be a beautiful entry on the short side. Okay, everybody. I want to give you also, if you are not a member of our live room, this was a particular week where I came on the live to help you guys before the June 15 mentorship program and the bootcamp, to give you the pre-market analysis, the box. I have the box on all instruments that I'm going to give you here. I'm going to give you all the notes that we have. I'm going to share them with you guys before we are gone. So this is an idea of the trade. This is the first page. I'm going to post on YouTube. If you guys have a quick question on YouTube, let us know, because we have to get out of here within the next 5 minutes. Good morning, Gid. Good morning, everybody. Here we go. Page 1. See, come live so you get the notes. Page 2, you have the unemployment figures and the picture between the cumulated and the initial claims. So this is going to be page 2. Okay. Page 3, you will have all the zones here for the day. I'm sharing our zone for the day, all of them. You can do your online if you want it automated and come in our live room, then get into the live room monthly so that you can earn as you learn with trade ideas without false promises. And you have also tools that help you in your community that trades real money, real account. It's all about return on investment, guys. If you pay $197 a month, can you make 200? Can you make 500? Can you make 1,000 trading with us? Yeah, if you can, then it's a no-brainer. It's called an investment. It's a cost for return. And that's how smart people think. A cost for return, everybody. So I'll give you the last page, page 3. Hopefully you have the notes there. And I think everything is there. Let me see. Yeah. Click on all those links. The guys on all the guys on YouTube, watch those links. Click those links right now, because that will give you an edge for the day. Don't forget also, guys, if you want those zones early in the morning, like this morning I posted at 7:45, usually it's before 8:30 a.m. Make sure you Google day trading zones iPhone app, and you'll get this, the app. And if you don't care about the premium service, the options, premium alert or the stock alert is fine. But at the top, you have the analysis for free. You have the social media. You get ping in real time when we go on social media streaming. You get the buy zone, caution zone, sell zone for the year. So that helps you. So again, I showed you all my position for today. Starting the day here, where it is again. And that's it. You know, this is fairly neutral, looking for shorts at the top here on the ES and the SPY. Trying to get back into my, something is locking me to get out of there. So what is this? What does it say? Do you really want to reset? No. So here you go. So those are the positions for the day. I went in detail. So if you listen to the stream again, you'll see. The bottom line is 316, 315, 320 SPY, guys. It's going to be a huge resistance for the market. I expect this market to be between what is it on SPY? I showed you. The 316, 320 to the 278. How do I get that? Look here. Let's look at the stock market from above. I told you for the many days now, many sessions on the stream, that this is the right shoulder. This right shoulder is 278, 320, 315. So we are at the top here. Yeah, make no mistakes, this is going to be the top. It took 4 to 5 months for that shoulder to complete. This is going to be no different. 315, 320, we're going to start selling, and we are going to start playing ping pong within this shoulder until August, September. Okay? At which point we might crack in between August, September, October, and crack, everybody. Whatever it is, March, January, I believe that we will wake up and understand that this is not a V recovery, but a double deep recession, everybody. Because all the effect, the economical effect of everything that has happened has not been discounted yet. So it's very important. I want to help you guys. I come on the pre-market. I share all my notes with you guys. I have to go back to our group on Zoom. It's our 12 months intensive mentorship program. If you guys have any charts you want me to look before we leave, we have about 2 minutes. First come, first serve. 2 minutes, let me know. I could look at 2 charts before we start the day. Don't forget, I gave you on the notes for the day all our buy zone and caution zone. So box your trade, guys. Box your trades. If you box your trade and you go here on your notes, you have all the notes and all the boxes for the day. Buy zone, caution zone, sell zone. Remember also the logic of this. On the top sell, on the top buy, we want to sell. On the top sell, we want to buy. And in between, we're income trader. Okay, so understand the logic of our full pro tools, our double cloud tools to help you make better decisions without false promises. That's what we do for retail and institution trader, everybody. So this is our double cloud tool right there, right? And this is, if you look at the tools, right? And I told you that for many days on the live feed. The main trend is still up. The intermediary trend is still up. Main trend up. Intermediary trend up. Look, they went to the cloud support. Boom. They rebound. That's fine. I want them to go to the caution zone, to the buy zone extreme here, on the bubbles, on the circles, and go and tank towards the 3,065, 3,050 eventually after the unemployment report. But be careful, because we still have main trend up, intermediary trend up. I want to see an intermediary trend down before I put more size on the downside. Okay? David, VMW, which I believe is VMware. I used to trade this puppy a long time ago. VMware. As a matter of fact, I used to be a partner in a startup in Atlanta that used to do virtual disk, like this virtual network. Okay, so VMware, it's the same as the market, my friend. It has a down arrow. It has a pink dot. I'm looking for short on the shoulder, which means here. You see, you have your head. It's exactly like the overall market. Shoulder, shoulder, short 168 here. So shoulder of VMware, 168, 175 is a short. Last, give me one more from someone else so that I am first come, first serve. Alicia, Microsoft. So let's do Microsoft. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, click the bell, download the Day Trading Zones iPhone app so that you get told in real time when we are going live and trading real money, real accounts with you guys. We turned a $28,000 account from February 20th, stream on YouTube to $121,000. Watch those videos and you learn stuff, and you'll learn stuff. It's 26 years of training hard, you know, to be lucky in the market. Last, Microsoft, and we got to run, otherwise you'll be late for the open bell with our group. Microsoft, up arrow, blue dot. MACDs look great. The MACDs look great. To me, Microsoft is a buy. It has a lot of cash, less debt, but I want to buy Microsoft here towards the 160. I don't want to chase it. So let Microsoft double top towards the 200, buy it back at 160 later on within the next few months. By the way, 200 or even the middle part here, 135. So to me, 135, 160 is a great buy on Microsoft, but you are going to crack this little flag. You might make a new high towards the 200, but very careful of that double top. I hope it's helpful, everybody. Stay tuned. We'll be there again tomorrow. Live stream at 9 a.m. It's Options Friday. We might stream a little longer tomorrow and trade with you guys. But the most important is every Tuesday at 9 a.m. we will be there and stream with you. I hope it was helpful. Going back with our mentorship program people, the mastery guys. I hope it's helpful. If you're new to the community, subscribe to the YouTube channel, follow us on Instagram, look at those videos if you're new, where we turn an account, a real account, guys, on YouTube of $28,000. It was streamed. You go to the Day Trading Zones channel and try to learn the processes and the type of trades we've done. We started on February 19 here, COVID-19. 3 days before everybody could see the top, right? You can see it here, and you can see the logic on how we shorted the market. Started with a $19,000 profit, and then if you go and progress after that, $21,000 on Friday, when everybody finally realized there was a problem, that we might close the country. On Monday, I had already tripled the account. After that, I did a $50,000 on Tesla. It was one of my biggest profit day. And then here, the COVID-19 video. COVID-19. Now, this is not here. Where was that? Blah, 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 blah. Here, COVID. Buy, hold, sell on COVID-19 plan 2019. I had quadrupled the account. You know, those stuff don't happen all the time. Obviously, there was a unique situation. But when you know processes, you know the option strategies, you have tools that help you, a community with which you brainstorm live, with real money, real account, everybody, that helps you turn a small account into a bigger account. And those are the type of things that can change your life. I love you all, guys. Hopefully that was helpful. We'll see you tomorrow on the feed, 9 a.m. Stay safe, everybody. Have a great day. Take care.